Easy to use, apply to a clean, dry cloth andrub scratches at a right angle. Other plastic restorers require 3 steps. BRITE saves you time, money and effort by doing the job faster and better in just 2 steps. The 2-step answer to hazy, scratched, aged-looking plastic surfaces. Quickly removes stains and light discoloration. Follow-up clear plastic restorer, part number 87208, with BRITE clear plastic polish, part number 87308, to obtain maximum shine, clarity and protection. Top reviews from the United States. Wow! This stuff is amazing. I have a plexiglass windshield on my Polaris RZR. I wiped the dust off on the trail and scratched it up pretty bad. I thought it was ruined, but to my surprise this stuff took every single scratch off. Very pleased with this product.